Alright guys, this is system test 12 with my new 4010 panel. We still got two troubles. And that's because the time and date, I haven't set that yet. And the battery, I'll still have to find a way to bypass that. And the dress panel is kind of funny, so I might have to sand down something because it's unlocked. It doesn't open, so I have to kind of jiggle it in a certain way. Yeah. Alright, let's go over to the devices. So, first, in the workshop, on address 1, we have a simplex true alarm smoke detector. And it's some fancy wiring right there. Go over. We go down, and we have an IAM module. Basically turns a conventional device addressable. Yes, I know it's being held up by tape. Down here, I got the Simplex 2099-9754 T-bar pull station. And I forgot the model number of this. It's something 9001. Alright. I'm still going over initiating devices, but, in my workshop, on address number 3, I think, is a Simplex dual action T-bar at the push bar, and you gotta pull down. And then up, we got another Simplex true alarm. Let's go over the notification appliances. Alright, in the panel room, I have the Faraday 5347W. I think I'm the only person to own one of these. I got it for free, but it's the horn only. It only makes one tone, it's not multi-tone, and it has a W strobe on it. Ignore these because they're not being used. Let's move over to the office. So I got the Wheelock MT. This is set on continuous high volume, and I took the lens off of that for some reason. Sorry, my finger keeps on getting in the way. This is a wide-angle camera. It's the good old MT. And then in my workshop, I have a Spectral Advance set on coded medium volume, because high volume is wacky and doesn't code right. This thing is loud. It even drowns out the MT there in the other room, which is surprising. So I went ahead and put the system in walk test. So first, I'm going to get my testing mechanism, which is over here somewhere. Let's test point 1. That's point 1. So the pull station. There we go. Right. Now we're gonna head over to the workshop and test out address 3, I think. So run over to the MT. Hope you heard that. Alright. Now we're going to test address 4. Alright, we got the panel out of walk test. And now let's pull the fire alarm. The horns are set on code 3. 3, 2, 1. I got all the points labeled and stuff. Pull station. Alright, now let's test the detector in here with some smoke saber. Smoke saber time. Alright. There we go. Now for the other two devices, I'm going to set the system on march time. Alright, march time. Electronic horns in 3, 2, 1. Alright. That sounded cool. Now we're going to test the smoke detector. That advance sounds so funny on march time. So funny and so sad at the same time. Alright, so I got all the workshop devices labeled as well. Alright. Let's go reset our devices. Alright. Now let's open up the panel and hope the smokes don't go back into the alarm. I'm gonna go fan them out real quick. Alright, now I'm going to reset the system. Alright, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.